Angino konete Cukuru ya kumama ya MARAA ni tutukubokire ruare kaumo kamonkiune ndi katedra kakimenyekano indi kuririkana gutirari kinyana stima utuku umonkyo kyumira uchunkoni bwetherete nindi bokyambireria kenda kumenya kaumo kari ikari kukokongwa.
So we rushed here and we found one dormitory had been burnt down. Most of the properties for girls damaged. Their boxes, their beddings, mattresses burnt, and fortunately it was for one dorm. And what I could say is that it's only one dorm that was down, and all girls are safe. They are accounted for. We have held an emergency meeting with the school board of management, the chairman, and the head teacher, principal. We have taken a roll call of the students, and they are all safe. We have so far not ascertained the cause of the fire, whether it was an electric fault or another assault, but that we leave it with the security agencies to go around and know what happened to what was the cause of the fire. What I could say, I want to thank the community for responding in quick time and putting out the fire. Actually, had it not been for the members of the community and the school workers and the non-teaching staff and the teachers, it would have been difficult putting out the fire. The fire brigade was here in very good time. They got a phone call, they came here, and actually they assisted in putting out the fire. So we have planned for an emergency meeting for Board of Management